We use this PowerShell command when we want to retrieve and display Windows security policies. These affect things like user account control, login behavior, admin privileges, security restrictions, and so forth. Here you can see the consent prompt behavior admin, which is what controls how administrators are prompted. You can see the consent prompt behavior user, which is what controls how standard users are prompted. Whenever you want to retrieve and display Windows system security policies, such as user account configurations stored in registry, this is the right place to look. I hope this has been helpful. Can I ask you to please subscribe to my channel, to like, and to share? Thank you.